ProTinkerToys.com, and we're in the bank, the new bank building, our new toy store, and we got in our recent new assortment by Auto World SC360, which is the Cars and Coffee Thunderjet Ultra G. This is the Thunderjet Ultra G series, and there are 2 cars to each, or 2 liveries to each car. There's 6 cars in the series, and there's 2 liveries of every car. Livery means a color or a style, okay? And this is the third one, which is the 1941 Willys Coupe Gasser. Why would you call it Gasser? Well, you know what it is. It's the, this is the car that Humphrey Bogart in Casablanca. Not Casablanca, but, oh shoot, what's that movie? He was the detective, come on, Maltese Falcon. This is the car that he used, okay? And this is the third version of this that they've done. Well, actually, it's the second one, I think. But there are 2 styles. There's the red, or this is the green and white, and the orange. Aren't they sweet? And they run really nice too. You know, I was having a talk with a guy, you know, I don't think Auto World gets the credit for what they do. Yeah, they're not precision automobiles. But look at this. I think these cars run nice. See, when I was a kid, again, I got into Thunderjets when I was 1971. And it wasn't about speed because they didn't have magnets. You can only go so fast without it coming off, okay? And when you put a magnet on it, you're really just, it's a false sense of speed because the magnet's holding your car to the track. Try to drive it without a magnet. See how fast you go. Then that's how good you know you are a real driver. Check this out. Now, obviously, this figure 8 is, you always want to expand. You want to have a big course. But this is just a fun little Slotcar set. And this is the Ford Coupe, or the Willys Coupe. Willys Coupe. And there are 2 styles. This is a Thunderjet chassis. Don't forget Thunderjet. It's got the new guide pin, which has the reinforcement in it, which won't break off. Okay. They just keep getting better. Auto World they keep perfecting their product, and that's what's cool. Okay. And there are 2 styles of the gassers. There's the orange one and the green and white one, and these are available right now at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and we'll see you on the next video of Cars and Coffee.